If your listing images look bad, you are actively bleeding sales to your competitors. Alright, I want you to look at this, and I want you to think like a shopper for a second. Let's say you need a tarp. You search for it on Amazon and you see these two main images. Alright, so focus on first one. Without reading a single bullet point, you already know the size, the material, and the use case. Now look at the second one. This is zero information. It's just sitting there. Which one you will click? The first one, right? That's called click-through rate or CTR. And it's no surprise that the first listing is a bestseller, even though its price is actually higher than the other one. Here is the reality that most Amazon sellers completely ignore. Your images do 80% of the talking. And if you don't stand out visually, nobody clicks. And nobody clicks, then no sales. It's that simple. Alright, so today we are fixing that. I'm going to show you how to tear down a weak, boring A+ content and rebuild it into something more clean, professional, and premium. So let's do it. Alright, so let's look at an example. Here is a basic A+ layout for a product. Let me break down exactly where they are leaving money on the table. First, if you go to the A+ section, then you will notice that they are using barely any modules. Alright, so Amazon gives you the space to add up to 7 distinct modules in the A+ content. This brand used only a fraction of that. And this is a bad practice. Alright, so why I am addressing this as a mistake? Because on Amazon, empty space is an invitation for distraction. If you don't use the real estate to sell your product, Amazon will use that space to show ads to your competitors. Alright, you have 7 slots, use all 7. Let's look at their first module. It's the brand name. Nothing eye-catchy, no emotional hook. In here, if they had placed a high-quality lifestyle images here showing the product in action, the buyer would instantly connect with it. But unfortunately, there is nothing like that. Alright, move on the next. They have a product image stuffed with a giant paragraph of text. Alright, so this is a fatal flaw for 2 reasons. First, nobody reads paragraphs, especially on mobile or any devices, because they don't have that much time to read text by text. Second, this text is baked into the image file. That means Amazon's algorithm cannot crawl it. And none of these actually indexed as a keyword. Alright, so instead of text, they should have used iconography. And lastly, they completely missed out on high converting modules like a comparison chart. Even on a basic A+ layout, a comparison chart is mandatory. It keeps shopper on your pages instead of bouncing to a competitor. Alright, so how do you exactly fix this? Let me show you another example that we Ecomclips create for one of our clients. Alright, so this is our finished A+ content. Notice the flow? We used all 7 modules. We are taking full control of the buyer's screen, leaving no room for competitors' ad. Alright, so let's break down exact what we did banner by banner. Here is the first banner. When you look at this as a buyer, let's say when a buyer scroll down, this is the very first thing they see, and it has to be impressive. We used a beautiful high resolution lifestyle image. We want the buyer to instantly imagine how this feels in their own home. Alright, we kept the text minimal, just strong descriptive keywords. Now this is the second module. Alright, so remember how the bad listing used a giant paragraph? We did that exact opposite. We used 4 clean icons with just 1 or 2 words each. Allergy-free, durable, machine washable. Shoppers on mobile are scrolling fast. They can digest these 4 icons in 2 seconds and understand the exact value of the product without reading a single sentence. Alright, so move to the next banner. We visually break down the size, we show the different dimension clearly. By doing this visually, we remove buyer confusion. Remember, a confused buyer never buys. Move to the next, module number 4. Here is where we hit their pain points. What do people actually want? Comfort, skin-friendly fabric, softness. We dedicated an entire banner to emphasizing these exact feelings. Next module is something that justifying the price. If you want to change a premium price, your listing need to look premium. In this module, we highlight the craftsmanship. We show why our materials are better, and by doing so, we are building trust and proving durability. Number 6, standard image plus crawlable text. The SEO engine. This module is strategic. The text next to it is standard text, not text baked into an image. Why? Because Amazon's algorithm can read this. We naturally pack this section with high search relevant keywords. The images convert the human, but the text ranks the listing. Alright, the final push. We end A+ content with comparison chart. Yes, we can add comparison chart on basic A+ too. I think you get the idea, right? I want you to look at your own listing right now. Are your images doing 80% of heavy lifting, or they are costing you sales? If you're looking at your A+ content and you feel that you need to makeover, you don't have to guess how to fix it. My team and I do this every single day for sellers. And if you want an expert eye on your brand, don't hesitate to reach us. Comment your SIN below and we will do a free audit. Also, you can reach out info@ecomclips.com. Alright, so that's all for today. If you got value out of this breakdown, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
Ecomclips is the brand.